The practice test is designed to take you through all the functions necessary to take a test on a response card NXT with Turning Technologies' Triton data collection system. Please pay attention, as these will be the steps you will follow when taking the practice test. Here are the key features of the response card so that you may easily find each button as they are referenced during the practice test. Question type, time remaining, channel indicator, current question, battery life indicator, response saved indicator, left and right function keys, previous and next buttons, input mode, delete, and keypad. You will first need to wake up the response card by pressing the enter button. You will see welcome, then a battery life indicator, then your ID. At the Your ID screen, you will enter your ID and press OK, the right function key. Because this is an anonymous test, the proctor will provide you with the ID number needed to begin. During an actual test, your name will appear on the name screen. If it is your name, press OK, the right function key. If not, press back, the left function key, and begin again. If applicable, the next screen is the version screen. You will enter in your version number and press OK, which is the right function key. If versions are not used, you will continue on to the next screen. The next screen is the test name screen. You will see the name of the test you are scheduled to take. Press OK, which is the right function key. If not, press back, which is the left function key, and begin again. The next screen is the Wait to Start screen. You will then be ready to begin your test. When the proctor starts the test, you will see the Entering Test screen, then you will enter the test. Every test begins on question number 1. For question 1, you will press A, then the next button to move to question 2. The question you are answering is always the center oval on the top of the screen. You can navigate to any question by pressing the next or previous buttons until you arrive at the question you want. For question 2, you will press C and then the next button to move to question 3. Notice the 3 ovals at the top of your screen. You can see that questions with answers are filled and unanswered questions are unfilled. For question 3, you will press F. The response card displays a message, "Not an option, please retry." Press D. Only valid answer options for each question can be entered. To see the valid options, look at the question type on the top of the screen. This will match the test book. Press the next button to move to question 4. Once you are on question 4, you will press the Go To, the left function key, and select 1 on your keypad. Then press the Enter button, go to question 1, and then change your answer. You will press B to change your answer from A to B. While you are still on question 1, you will press Go To again. Press blank, the right function key, to move to the next unanswered question. In this case, it will be question 4. You will skip question 4 by pressing the next button and proceed to question 5. Question 5 will be a short answer question. You will use the keypad to text or type your response like cell phone texting. Press the 9 key 4 times to text the letter Z. You will need to press the Enter button to submit your answer choice. When you answer the last question, the next screen is a status screen. If you have not answered all questions, you will see the message Incomplete, then a list of questions not answered, then a prompt to press the Go Back arrow, which is the left function key, or OK, which is your right function key, to end the test. Press the Go Back arrow. This will take you to the first unanswered question. In this case, it's question number 4. For question 4, you will press B, then End, which is the right function key. Because you will have answered all the questions, you will then see Complete. If time permits, you can choose to go back, review, and/or change your answers. Press the Go Back arrow, the left function key, to go back, or press OK, the right function key, to submit your test. Press OK a second time on the final verification screen to save and send your exam. If time permits, you can choose to go back to review and/or change your answers. When you see Test Received, your test is secured with the proctor. During a timed exam, you will not need to manually send your exam. When the time is up, you will see 0 time remaining displayed on the screen, and the exam will send automatically. For more information, please refer to the user guide.